This is Steven with Crocodile Performance, and today I have an issue with my 2018 Ram Cummins. There's a check engine light that came on, so let's dive in and see what's going on. So as you can see, the check engine light came on today, and you can see my mileage. So let's scan. I got my Banks IDash here, so let's scan it so we can see what the code is. We'll go to vehicle. Check vehicle codes, checking for codes. And we'll scroll down. We have a P04DB code. So now I need to look up that code and see what that's referring to. That's the part number for my crankcase filter, and as you can see, this is how much I paid today at the dealership for the OEM filter. So now that I got the crankcase filter replaced, the check engine light is still on, so I'm gonna have to clear the codes and then drive it around and make sure the codes don't come back after a while. So go to diagnostics, vehicle, and then clear vehicle codes. And hit yes, clearing codes. Says codes cleared. Okay, well the light is still on, so let me turn the truck off. And then I'm going to turn it back on and see if the code goes away. Okay, I finally got the code to clear. The first time I tried it, the engine was running, and I tried to clear the code. It didn't go away. So I tried driving around a little bit, and the code was still there. So what I did this time, when I pulled back in, I turned the truck off. I set the ignition to run, and then I cleared the code, turned the ignition off, and then started the truck back up, and the code was gone. So it was kind of a pain to get it cleared, but it's finally cleared now. So I'll have to see if it comes back. So I got the crankcase filter replaced and the check engine light cleared out. So I'm going to have to drive the truck, make sure the light doesn't come back on. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you again.